reset. It's a um, all right, all right now, all right now, all right, all right now, all right. This is. I make sure to clean these once. I just use. I just use some shampoo. Good morning, welcome to my channel. Happy Sunday. How are you all doing? I hope you're doing well. It's a reset day for me, which means I will be spending the whole of today doing certain things, certain chores that will make our lives easier for the next couple of weeks. I don't do this every Sunday, but every 2-3 weeks I will spend a whole Sunday doing chores and taking care of the house or maintaining certain things, just so that our weekdays for the next couple of weeks are lighter. This has to be done. It's a very important day for me. I don't skip it at any cost. I obviously have a list of things that I need to achieve. Who am I if I don't make lists? It is quite a lot, but I'm gonna be honest with myself that even if we achieve 70% of this, I'll be happy, because I have a very bad habit of overestimating how much I can achieve in a day. So I'm just going to put it out there and declare that even if we achieve 70% of this, I will be happy. It's not the end of the world. It's fine. We will still be in a good place. The first thing that I want to tackle is to go grocery shopping, because that is a big task that will take a lot of time, and it also requires us to go out of the house, which is not my favorite thing to do, but it has to be done. We are out of some pantry items, some dry goods in the kitchen, so I'm just gonna go through my kitchen pantry and see what needs to be refilled, what needs to be bought, and make a list. I already have a list going on my fridge magnet, which is my tip for today, that if you are someone who has a very busy schedule, or you are forgetful like me, then get a fridge magnet where you can write everything that needs to be achieved by you or your husband or whatever. It will make your life easier. I have been doing this since we got married. It's a small thing, but it has huge impact. We also have a group chat on WhatsApp just between me and my husband. It's called grocery shopping. Just write things that we need to do during the week or at the end of the week there, so that we both are on the same page and we know what needs to be done on the weekend. So that is also a good tip, because it has helped us a lot. But yeah, I'm just gonna go and check out what needs to be done in the pantry, and then we'll be on our way. What we ended up getting. Let me just quickly show you. These are mostly snacks and things like that, some biscuits, some wafers, instant noodles. These are infinitely better for you than Maggi ones, but I haven't tasted this one yet. I'll let you know how it is. And of course, this for times when I'm craving something, spicy and unhealthy. This does the job. By the way, Top Ramen is better than Maggi. I'll fight you on that. Got some sauces, tomato ketchup, soya sauce, sweet chili sauce. Got these for Anish's grandmother. She loves candies like this, and I rarely see these, so I got this for her. Some masalas and things like that, and dry pantry goods like dals and red chilies, peanuts, poha, sugar, chicken masala, hing, um, ghee. Yeah, that's all the edible stuff that we got. Other than that, I got some cleaning stuff as well. This is the hand wash powder that we get. This is really great and a great way to save um, money also, because this is only 10 rupees and this fills up one whole bottle of hand wash. So that's really good. This is something new that I saw. This is floor cleaner by the same brand. Again, it's supposed to be, I think, a liquid or a powder. It's supposed to be concentrated, and then you add water, and then you get about half a liter of floor cleaner from this. That I'm really excited to try. Got this floor brush, napkins, and these are microfiber rolls which I've used before, and they last, one sheet lasts forever. But I gave mine to my mom, so I bought one for myself, and I bought one for my mother-in-law. She also loves things like this, so I got one for her. Another thing that I got was this. This is a Super King bed sheet. It's linen fabric, and I rarely find Super King bed sheets anywhere in supermarkets, so got this when I saw it, and it's supposed to be 400 thread count, which is really good. It was a little expensive, more than I would pay, but the thing is, I can rarely find linen or cotton bed sheets that are Super King sized anywhere. I always get it if I see one. Now let's put them all in their place and refill everything. Alright, now that we're done with that, let's get on to the next thing on the list. But before that, I'm gonna go and change into something really comfortable. Checking in. I did two more tasks. I changed the bed sheet and put on a load of laundry. So that's going on. While that's going on, I'm going to move on to the next task, which is to clean my makeup brushes. I make sure that I do this at least once a month. Ideally you should do it more often than that. Don't put on makeup regularly, so these don't get used that much. I don't do anything fancy. I just use some shampoo and little bit of tap water, and yeah, wash it in that water and rinse it twice, just to get rid of everything. Let's do that. about to show you, and that is my desk. My desk becomes a dumping ground throughout the week. I usually clean it on Sundays as much as I can, but during the week things just accumulate here. A lot of mugs, books, my husband's speaker, sunglasses, and things like that, and it just keeps accumulating over there. And I just need to find a good system that will help me keep it organized throughout the week. But for now, I have to just declutter it and clean it so that I can start Monday fresh without, a lot of stuff on my workspace. And I think that is one of my last tasks that I have to do, and then I'm done. So let's get into it. Alright, that's everything I wanted to do today. Seems like we finished everything. Pat ourselves. I hope this video inspires you to do something like this for yourself, for your future self. Try it once. If it doesn't work for you, then it doesn't work for you. This is something that has helped me a lot, and especially for my mental health. So yeah, it's something that I do as part of my self-care, even though it's a lot of work, and I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my Sunday just vegging out and watching something on my computer. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please like the video, subscribe if you already haven't, and share it with people like us, people who would love to watch this. I'll see you again next time. Take care. Bye.